Hey guys, in this part we talk about paragraphs in HTML. A paragraph always starts on a new line and is usually a block of text. The HTML element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line and browsers automatically add some white space or a margin before and after a paragraph. And so, for example, create a p tag. This is a paragraph and another p tag. This is another paragraph. Control S and Control R. The first paragraph and second paragraph, and this is a white space, this space, and you cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding etc spaces or etc lines in your HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any etc spaces and lines when the page is displayed. So, for example, I copied two p tag and paste here with the spaces and new lines, and Control S and see the result. The browser remove any etc spaces and lines. So, HTML horizontal roles. The HR tag defines the thematic breaks in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal role. The HR element is used to separate content or define a change in an HTML page. So, for example, I put the HR tag in here and close it. The HR tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no end tag. So Control S, save the document, and Control R. This is HR tag. HTML line breaks. The HTML BR element defines a new line break. And use BR if you want a line break or a new line without starting a new paragraph. So, for example, I put the BR tag in here and Control S, Control R, and this is a new line, paragraph in the new line. And so, the poem problem. I copy a poem and so paste in a p tag and so put the HR tag in here, and so these spaces and new lines will be removed. So, what is solution? The HTML pre-element defines performatted text. The text inside the pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font, usually Courier, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. So, change the P to pre and Control S and Control R. The new lines and etc spaces are not removed.